Welcome to Solutions Studio. This is a free series on C programming language. If you like these videos, please subscribe to follow along with this series. Also, please like and leave a comment and share the video to help spread this series.
Hello and welcome to this episode, and in this episode we have an exercise for you that is the prime numbers. So write a program to calculate and print a list of all prime numbers from 1 to 100. That's it. Go and try to write the solution to this problem and come back to this video if you cannot solve this problem. Hello and welcome back, and this is the solution to the problem that we were talking about. So I want to elaborate the solution a little bit for you. As you can see in here, we have defined a Boolean value, and initially we have assumed that all numbers are actually prime until we prove it that it's not prime. So we have started the count of numbers. We have been told to run from 1 to 100. So initially we do not consider 1 as a prime number, so we start from 2. We will go until 100 and we will increment 1 by 1. Then again we have another for loop, and this for loop, the purpose of this for loop is to prove that if this number is prime or not prime, this number that we have created in this for loop. Now it will create a divisor for each number, and this divisor will start from 2 and it will run until the maximum one value less than the number, and each time the divisor is going to be incremented. So we have a condition in here, and the condition is saying that if this number that we have generated using this for loop is divided by this number, which the divisor that we have created, and the remainder is 0, that means that the number is divisible by this divisor, then this number is actually not prime, and we set this Boolean value of is prime to false, and we break the cycle for this for if. And continuing, we will see that is the number still a prime. If that is true, then we are going to print that prime. But if the number was considered as not prime inside this for loop, then this will be false and nothing will happen. And finally, at the end of this for loop, once again we assume that the number is a prime, so that for the next number that is going to be generated, the assumption is going to be correct that it is a prime number until it is proven that it's not. And that's it. We will go and run this program, and as you can see, we have got the prime numbers. 2 is prime, 3, 5, 7, 11 until 97. And that's it for this episode. See you in the coming episodes.